Have you ever dreamt of exploring ancient mysteries? Buckle up, because today we're whisking you off to Egypt, land of pharaohs and pyramids. Layla, it's even bigger than the pictures. Can you imagine how long it took to build? Thousands of years, Layla. And they didn't even have cranes. That's right, kids. The Great Pyramid is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, a giant triangle towering over the desert for over 4,500 years. But wait, who's that guarding the pyramids? Layla, it's the Sphinx. Half lion, half human, just like in the movies. Do you think it knows the secrets of the pyramids? The Sphinx may hold many secrets, but today it has a riddle for you. Sphinx. I have no voice, yet I speak to all. I have no body, yet I stand tall. That's tricky. Lou. Wait, I think I know. Is it Pressig? Very clever, young explorers. Your reward is a secret passage into the pyramid. Follow Layla and Leo as they crawl through the narrow tunnel, their hearts pounding with excitement. Will they discover hidden treasures or face ancient traps? Layla, look at these strange symbols. Do you think they're a message? Maybe. We need to decipher them, like detectives. Using their knowledge and teamwork, Layla and Leo solve the puzzles, unlocking new chambers and learning about the pharaohs who built the pyramids. They discover fascinating facts about ancient Egypt, from mummies to hieroglyphs to the lives of everyday people. This adventure was amazing. We learned so much about the pyramids and ancient Egypt. UK, and we made a new friend, the Sphinx. Remember, kids, the pyramids may hold many mysteries, but with curiosity and teamwork, you can unlock your own adventures. What will your next adventure be? Explore the world, ask questions, and discover the amazing stories hidden everywhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting journeys.